Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Wania Zain Malik from class 5B, and today I am going to tell you about healthy and unhealthy food. First, let me tell you about the functions of food. Food builds and repairs our body. Food gives us energy. It helps us to recover quickly when we are ill. Next, let me tell you about nutrients. Nutrients are useful substances that give us the energy to grow and to do our day-to-day activities. The essential nutrients are proteins, carbohydrates, fats, minerals, and vitamins. Food contains nutrients that we need to live. Now I'm going to tell you about proteins. Proteins help us to grow. Proteins build and repair worn-out cells in our body. Proteins are present in almost all foodstuffs. Food like beans, meat, dairy products, fish, eggs, nuts, and pulses are rich in proteins. Proteins are called bodybuilding food. Next on our list we have carbohydrates. Another important nutrient is carbohydrates. Sugar and starch are the simplest forms of carbohydrates. They are the easiest to digest. Carbohydrates are the main source of energy, so a large part of our daily food should contain carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are present in whole grains, bread, cereals, corn, beans, peas, potatoes, grapes, etc. They are energy-giving food. Now let us talk about fats. Fats are also energy-giving food. They provide us with double the energy than carbohydrates. Extra fat gets stored in the body. Excess fat can make a person overweight and obese. They cover delicate parts of the body and protect them from injury. Fats also keep the body warm. Oils, butter, and ghee are rich in fats. Now, let us talk about minerals. Plants take minerals from the soil. These minerals enter our body directly and indirectly. When we eat these plants, minerals enter our body directly. When animals eat these plants and then we eat these animals, minerals enter our body indirectly. Minerals help the nervous system pass messages to the different body parts. They help the muscles to contract. Minerals are needed in very small amount. Different minerals are present in food like milk and milk products, fish, green leafy vegetables, soya bean, and nuts. Next, let us talk about vitamins. The word vita means life. Vitamins are not a source of energy. They are an important nutrient because they help different body systems to function properly. They are protective food as they help our body to fight diseases. Fresh fruits and vegetables are a rich source of vitamins. Vitamins, like minerals, are needed in very small amount. Now let us talk about healthy food. Healthy eating means eating a variety of foods that give you the nutrients you need to maintain your health, feel good, and have energy. These nutrients include protein, carbohydrates, fat, vitamins, and minerals. Nutrition is important for everyone. It can also be called a balanced diet. At the right side of the page, I have shown you a healthy eating pyramid. In this healthy eating pyramid, I have shown you in which proportions we have to eat different foods. Also, in this healthy eating pyramid, I have told you that we have to drink more water. Usually, we have to drink 8 to 10 glasses of water a day. I've also shown you that we should avoid using unnecessary salt. Now I'm going to tell you why do we need to eat healthy food. Eating well is fundamental to good health and well-being. Healthy eating helps us maintain a healthy weight and reduces our risk of type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and the risk of developing cardiovascular disease and some cancers. Healthy eating has many other benefits. When we eat well, we sleep better, have more energy, and better concentration. And this all adds up to a healthier, happier life. Healthy eating should be enjoyable social experience. When children and young people eat and drink well, they get all the essential nutrients they need for proper growth and development, and develop a good relationship with food and other social skills. Now comes the most crucial question in this whole presentation, which is, what if we eat unhealthy food? Eating unhealthy can lead to health issues such as malnutrition, poor digestion, tiredness and fatigue, and unwanted weight gain and obesity. It can also increase your risk of chronic diseases such as diabetes and heart disease, and impact your mental health. Eating unhealthy can affect your physical appearance. It can cause your skin look dull and unattractive. You'll gain acne from all those sugary foods and beverages you're consuming. If it would make you look malnutrition, small and underweight. Also, excessive unhealthy food can cause you gain weight and you'd become obese, looking fat and sloppy. You'd also be increasing your risk of getting diseases such as high blood pressure, chronic diseases, diabetes, stroke, obesity, etc. All those unhealthy foods are linked to these diseases. Cancer is also linked to unhealthy eating as well. Now let us see what we should do to avoid unhealthy food. It's easy to get confused about which foods are healthy and which aren't. You generally want to avoid certain foods if you want to lose weight and prevent chronic illness. Junk food is found just about everywhere. It's sold at supermarkets, convenience stores, workplaces, schools, and in vending machines. The availability and convenience of junk food makes it difficult to limit or avoid. At the end of this presentation, I would like to thank you all for paying attention to my presentation.